Hello, in this video I want to show you how to put cosmetics on your tank in War Thunder. And to do this, we'll need to click on one of our own tanks and simply click like this. You'll see the customization, enter it, and then you can apply any decals. And keep in mind that some of them are like two slots for them are locked behind the premium account. You can also put the decorations on your tank if you want. There's many different options, but they cost the premium currency as well. But now let's try to actually place one of the decals on the tank like this. And now we can move it around the tank, make it bigger, make it smaller, and overall customize our tank just like that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.